Welcome to the Smokies, where nature's wonders are literally a step away. Most visitors want to see a waterfall when they come to the Smoky Mountains. Remember these 5 tips when visiting waterfalls in the park. Waterfall viewing is better after rain, as there will be stronger water flow. Late spring, summer, and early fall are fantastic times to visit. Waterfalls can be spectacular when frozen in winter, offering remarkable views. Waterfall areas can be slippery and dangerous. Always stay on designated trails. Only park in designated areas, not on the roadway. Get your Smokies parking pass online before your trip or buy one at a park visitor center. The Smokies are rich in biodiversity. Observe wildlife and plants from a distance and do not disturb the natural habitat. Each waterfall in the Great Smoky Mountains is incredible. Enjoy a safe and memorable waterfall viewing experience in our beautiful national park. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing adventures in and around the Smokies. I'd love to learn about your waterfall journeys, so please comment below. Stay adventurous, and I'll see you in my next video as we explore nature in the Smoky Mountains.